My God's emergency kit.
Quotes to remember.
God has a perfect plan for you. Keep going.
You are God's wonderful creation, never forget that.
With God, all things are possible.
God loves you just the way you are and will always be with you.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will guide your steps.
You are valuable and have a purpose in this world.
Fear not, for God is with you every step of the way.
God has given you unique talents, use them to shine.
In difficult times, remember that God is your strength.
God created you for a special purpose, keep looking, you will find.
Please, don't forget.